If you hold XRP, give me just a fucking minute. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing on the charts right now. So XRP has been on an absolute fucking tear today. Even though it doesn't really look like it on the daily chart, you can see this nice curve up that we're getting. We are having sustained support above this midline right here. Also, this level of support at around $1.30. This right here is 9 months of bear market pressure. So there is two things I need to see here. I need to see advancement over this line of resistance, which is the top of our channel here. And I need to see us cross above this 200-300 EMA ribbon, in which case we're likely experiencing a lot more bullish price action, as you can see historically. We were already in this channel for a while, but we were definitely going down once we crossed below this EMA ribbon. I personally do think we're going to have some resistance at the top of this channel, but I do not think that a major rejection off of this line is going to happen. We might bounce around in this wedge right here for a little bit before we go back up. But I personally believe this line of support is going to hold. Now, if we go to Bitcoin, I know there's a lot going on right here. I'm going to break all this down for you real quick. I talk about this quite a lot, but this purple line across the bottom here is the Bitcoin cost of production, and it has historically signified bear market bottoms and even just downtrend bottoms. Every time we hit this purple cloud, every time we dip down into this purple cloud, we typically have hit a bottom, or at least a local bottom. And fun fact, the last time that we dipped below this cost of production, this purple cloud area, this purple line at the bottom, the last time we dipped below like this was in 2020, so like 6 years ago. I do believe that we've hit a bottom. So now I'm going to take that away. Next important thing I want to show you is this liquidity zone right here. This was the top of the previous bull market. We came right down into this zone and have bounced up since. That is another indicator that is telling me that we've hit a bottom. It's not to say that we couldn't drop down below this level. I just don't think it's going to happen. As of right this second, you see this white line. We're currently holding support above that. That is not necessarily last cycle, but after our last bull cycle, which was back here, we had gone down into our bear market. We'd come up, touched new all-time highs, went back down for a little while. It is those all-time highs, previous all-time highs, where we are sitting right now. As long as we hold above this level for a few days, I think this is flipping into support, guys. Now, one more thing I want to show you. I'm going to clear some of this stuff out. And I just put on this blood moon indicator, which is these red dotted vertical lines. I've talked about this a couple times, but to me, this is very powerful. So when you zoom out, you can see we had this series of blood moons. There was 3. You see this series of blood moons. There was 3.